Jonathan Hernandez, and I'm playing at the Home and House in Pittsburgh, Texas, live in the living room. Well, this song's called Midnight Train. I'll be like, he said he's leaving on the midnight train. He said he's headed west to find his fortune fame. He's making it big in California, yeah. He said he's leaving on the midnight train. Please don't say goodbye. For why can't you stay one more night? Didn't mean to make you cry. How many kisses would it take to change your mind? She said she's leaving, had enough, she quit. She said she couldn't take much more of this. She's folding her hand, cashing in her chips. Said she's leaving, had enough, she quit. Please don't say goodbye. Why can't you stay one more night? Didn't mean to make you cry. How many kisses would it take to change your mind? Please don't say goodbye. Why can't you stay one more night? Didn't mean to make you cry. How many kisses would it take to change your mind?